Good morning! Today is Saturday at birthday ng aming Indianong Pinoy.
Mickey Mouse.
Happy birthday!
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Miss.
Abangan niyo ang mga video namin for today. Ito ang ating design para sa birthday ng Indianong Pinoy. Ayan. Pinagpuyatan ko kagabi. So, mag-i-start na ako maghiwa-hiwa ng para sa spaghetti. Magluluto na ako. Tapos, pagkatapos nun, saka ko ipiprito yung Shanghai. Ang ganda pala ng araw ngayon. So, nakikisama ang araw dahil piyesta din nila dito. Piyesta ng mga Hindus. So, ang sineselebrate ng mga Hindu ngayon ay Ganesh Chaturthi. Tama, yung nila, Lord. Parang God nila. Yun. So, yun ang sineselebrate nila. Ang una kong gagawin ay maghihiwa-hiwa ng, hindi ako maghiwa, magbabalat lang ako ng carrots. Tapos, i-crush ko lang siya doon sa crusher. Ating mahiwagang crusher. So, para mapadali ang ating mga gawain. Ayun, yun yung chicken. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun yung chicken masala o chicken curry. Pinipin ni Mami. Show me, Ria. Show me. Nice.
Sit with the kids. If I sit, I won't be able to get up. Huh? Don't get up. Don't get up. Yeah, I'm
This is the pulao.
Yeah, once it's, I'll tell you once it's almost.
Spaghetti.
Marinara?
No. Hi. I did not iron his clothes. Wait, my face. Fine, fine. Tagaktak ang pawis ko. My sweat. So nice. Very nice. Canopy.
You ask, Baba, you ask. It's not like manners to just play. If you want, go get up and take. If you want, get up and take.
White sauce, your favorite one. Take. You don't want ginger? Okay, eat what you want to eat.
Hi, baby. Randall. Happy birthday. Wait, not yet, not yet. Okay, wait. You should sing first.
Okay, blow, Baba, blow.
Okay, blow. Very good. Oh, wow. I know. Baba. Give it. It's not that, Baba. Hey, what is that? Huh?
Say cheese.
Say cheese.
Nah, cut. Hold on, mommy. Let him hold the knife. Look at the cake. Look at the cake, Baba. Nice cake. Wow. Very nice. Very good.
This is white chocolate.
Baba sing.
Slowly.
Remove by the
Cut it from half. Yeah, cut it from half.
Look, Baba, look at your cake.
Look at the cake. What is this? What is this?
Take Jan, take.
Look here, Baba. Look there.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
To me.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Randall.
Yay! Good job. Yes. Open. What is that? Open it, Papa. Open. Sit down. Open it. Open. Yes. Another one. Yeah. Open. Oh, yes. Turn it, Papa, turn. Turn. What's that? It's good. You like it? Pull. Yes. This one, move. Pull. Wow. Pull, Papa, pull. Yeah. What's that? Wow. What's that? So nice. Say thank you. Thank you so much. Yay. What is that? It's a ribbon. Oh, nice. Okay, open that one. Open that one. Yeah, it's there. Open it. Wow. Oh, wow. What is that? Yes. Yay! What's that? It's that? What's that? Open ba? Open, what's that? At ayan po ang lahat ng mga kaganapan for today's video. Na-arouse din natin ang birthday ni Indianong Pinoy at nakita naman natin na ang saya-saya niya, di ba? Ang saya-saya niya dahil dumating yung mga pinsan niya. So, yun, ang saya-saya niya kasi madaming tao at andyan yung mga pinsan niya na nakikipaglaro sa kanya. So, masaya din kami dahil napasaya namin ang aming munting prinsipe. At dahil dyan, siya ay napagod at ayan po, tulog na po siya. So, ayan po, kung nakarating po kayo hanggang dito, maraming salamat ulit. At abangan nyo din po ang aming mga susunod pang mga vlogs. Maraming salamat at God bless. Bye!